Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. I am at exit 107 on I-40 near Essex, California, and I am stopping somewhere to do a little video if I can. I stopped here years ago. It's an oasis in the middle of the Mohave Desert. And yeah, a few unique things about this place that I thought might be fun to make a video of and show you. So we'll see if I can park here and check it out. It is basically a travel stop, a truck stop, though I don't know if they allow parking here for trucks anymore, I'm not sure. It's a convenience store, kind of a rest area type place. And there's a few unique things about it. For one thing, they have palm trees. And another thing, the fuel prices are outrageous. Maybe the most expensive in California, maybe the country. But they have a right to do that because they're out here and they got to pay for everything. It's hard to have a place in the middle of the desert. And there's no other places nearby. The nearest one is, well, 30-40 miles back east in Needles, or about 50-60 miles or so ahead in Ludlow. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I stopped here years ago. I believe my daughter was with me. Just thought I'd stop again here, try to make a quick video. Sorry for the vibration. We'll pull in here and check this place out. Yeah, it's funny to see palm trees in the middle of the desert. Yeah, no truck parking. I guess they don't want trucks here anymore. But there are trucks in here, probably just fueling. It's a Chevron. It's called Navas Desert Oasis on I-40, and this is Route 66. Okay, let's see if I can even get turned around in here. There's no truck parking signs all over the place. Two trucks right here. Looks like they're both getting worked on. Let's see here. I think what I'm going to do is just pull over on the side here. No parking. Do not block driveway, tow-away zone. Okay, well, I'm gonna go park on the road where the other trucks are, and then I'll just come in here and do a quick video. Yeah. So yeah, this place is out in the middle of the desert. The Mohave Desert in California. There's my truck. Not sure why I said it like that. There's my truck. I sound like I'm a country hick. Actually, I am. So I hope everybody's doing well today. Just a quick little video here to show you this place. Kind of interesting. I haven't been here in a long time. I'm going to turn the camera off of me and on the sights here. Oh yeah, there's cactus here. Ooh, that looks pokey. You know, if I remember right, there used to be water in here. There's no water in them now, but I thought there used to be water and there was fish in here. But maybe they're redoing it. I don't know. There's some interesting trees and palm trees. But yeah, and they do not want trucks parking here. You think? You think? Welcome to Naja's Oasis on historic Route 66. Cool sign there. I really like the Route 66 nostalgia and all the history. That old pickup there. Looks like a Ford pickup from, I don't know, where am I here? Oh, there it is. Ford pickup from maybe, I don't know, 70s, 60s, something like that. Oh, we got some unique trees and cactus, or cacti, I don't know, and palm trees. But yeah, so it's a Chevron. I'll show you the price of the gas in a little bit here. I'm not going to go inside. They might not like me doing a video inside, but yeah, it's a gas station, convenience store. I think they maybe used to have a cafe in there. I'm not sure, but now there's picnic tables. I'm pretty sure that there was a pond over there at one time and they had fish and stuff, but yeah. Overnight fee, $10. Oh, okay. Well, what was that? Crow or something. Birds. But yeah, I thought you used to be able to pay to park here, and now I don't know. But yeah, oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. Look at that old car over there. Kind of neat. There's birds up in those palm trees. Doing something. But yeah, they have fuel pumps for trucks. There's a couple of trucks parked there. It's about 65 degrees here in the desert. Gets in the hundreds in the summertime. But yeah, it looks like an old repair shop over there. And they got 66 on the tanks there. But yeah, they used to allow parking here, but you had to pay, but at least they allowed it. And now they don't want any trucks here. Not sure why, but I mean, there's not a lot of room in here, but they could have some trucks. But yeah, the Oasis desert stop here in the Mohave Desert. Yeah, I just thought I'd share this, kind of interesting. But probably the most interesting thing is the fuel cost. You want to see? Yep, $7.89. Diesel is $8.09. Kind of crazy. And you could say it's price gouging, but they're out in the middle of the desert. You know, they got to get electricity and water out here and stuff, and there's not any other places for an hour to 2 hours away. But that's a little high. And the prices of things inside are pretty high too, but they got to pay their bills too. So, but anyway, decided to share this. The Naja, I don't even know how to say it. It's the desert oasis in the middle of the Mohave Desert near Essex, California. I don't know if there's a town of Essex. I think this just might be Essex here. Anyway, but I'm going to keep on rolling west on I-40, Route 66. And decided to share this place with you. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.